Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to expand and simplify the following quadratic expression. And we can set up a table like this, and the idea is like trying to find the area of each blank rectangle. Okay, what do I mean by that? Well, I have 2x and 5x. So to find the area, I will have to multiply them together. 10x squared. This will be 2x and this will be negative 2. So to find the area, I will have to multiply them. That will give me negative 4x. Continue. If this is 3 and this is 5x, I just need to multiply them to get the area of 15x. And if this is 3 and this is negative 2, I just need to multiply them to get negative 6. And after which, to add them up together. So I will have negative 4x, positive 15x, negative 6, and continue to simplify them. There's only one x squared term, 10x squared. We have to simplify the x variable, x term. So in this case, negative 4x plus 15x. This will give me positive 11x. There's only one constant term, negative 6. And that's the answer for this question. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.